Hey, this is Carlin Wilson, and today's video is FlyLady Baby Steps Day 10. So we've been using our timer so far for 2 minutes and 5 minutes, and today we're going to do a 15-minute declutter. This is again just practicing using our timer, getting used to doing things and stopping and not overwhelming ourselves. So today the FlyLady says to take 15 minutes, and this can be the room we did yesterday. This could be another room that you have in mind that just has a lot of stuff that you need to declutter, or it could be around your house in general. Walking around looking for things for 15 minutes to kind of get rid of things you don't need. And you make the decision, you make the call whether you're donating these things, whether you're trashing these things, you would know best. But just spend 15 minutes. Do not burn yourself out, do not overdo it. I know how we can get. So after you set a timer for 15 minutes and you stop doing that, my favorite part about this is you're gonna also set, once you're done, another timer for 15 minutes, and this timer is for you to relax. Yes, relax. You get to reward yourself for spending 15 minutes doing what you said you were gonna do, for showing up. You've earned it. Take a load off. I know that, again, for us perfectionists, this can be a hard thing. We feel like we haven't done the whole thing. How can I reward myself and I'm not done? You accomplished something. You did something. You set out for 15 minutes and said, I am going to do this for my home and do this for myself and my family. And now you get to rest for 15 minutes. Guilt-free, not feeling like you should be doing something else, more productive, but you get to rest. So enjoy that. Like I said, follow me over on Instagram and let me know how today's challenge went for you. I have a link below with all the 31 days of baby steps if you want to print that out and follow along. I made a calendar for that. And subscribe to this channel to follow along to this challenge. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.